Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my Cub Cadet XT2 SLX50. What we're going to do today is install my mulching kit that I purchased right through the Cub Cadet website. First thing that I'm going to do is pop off this chute. It's one nut you have to take off. That's an 11mm. So in the kit, there's your new cover. That's going to go on right there. And you're going to need that. And before I put this on, this kit actually comes with 3 new mulching blades. Now this tractor only has about 18 hours on it. I'm actually going to keep the original blades on, and I'm going to put the mulching blades on actually in the fall when we're getting a lot of leaves. So I'm going to put these back in the box. But again, they're nice and quick to attach. They have the fast attach. Take off this little cover that's over top of the bolt. So you're going to take your cover, it's going to slide in here, it's going to go over the bolt. You got to kind of wiggle it to get it in. It's fairly tight. This is going to go in this hole, and once it goes over the bolt, you're going to put this on. And when you're sliding it in, there is this lip too that needs to go under the metal part of your deck. So it is fairly tight to get in, but it goes in just like that. Screw this on. And make sure that's nice and tight. It's actually pretty sturdy for being a piece of plastic, and it takes about 15 seconds to install. And for anybody wondering, if you just want to pause the video, this is your instructions for replacing the blades. Some people actually will remove the deck. I would probably just jack it up in the front and reach under and take the blades off, but they literally take about 5 seconds to swap out each blade. And the chute you can just put away if you want to install it at a later date. Again, it's just one nut and bolt to take it off, and also to put it on. Just want to make a note too, now that you're not using the side discharge to expel the grass clippings, you're going to want to make sure you use your deck wash. Just hook up a hose here, lower your deck, turn your garden hose on, and put your hose on, and put your mower deck on. And what this will do is clean all the grass clippings that are accumulated underneath your mower deck. So don't forget to do that every once in a while, or you're going to get quite a buildup underneath of the deck. And that was just a short video on how to install a mulch kit. So let's give this a quick try. There we go. That was the first test run with the new mulch kit installed. Nice thing about it is it's not going to be blowing all the grass all over flower beds and around the fence area where the pool and everything's at. So far I'm quite happy with it. So we'll see how this holds up. Like always, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.